Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, how are you? My name is Stephany, and for today's video, I am going to be doing a quick little walkthrough and setup of my Plum Paper vertical columns layout that I am going to be using as a social media planner. So I wasn't able to do an unboxing before I did my planner lineup, so here we are. I wanted to do this before I started making Plan With Me videos. So here I have some things that I'm going to be using to set up my name page, but let's just go ahead and put that off to the side until we need it. So here is the front cover. I love this. I think it is beautiful, the colors and the pattern. I just love how it has like a watercolor feel. And then I did get this interchangeable as well. So all you have to do is write it in the notes before you check out. Just say that you would like the cover snipped so it can be interchangeable. So if I ever want to change it, I have that option as well. And if you guys notice, I don't have that clear cover that it usually comes with. So I guess that's something new that they ended up doing this year, because it was definitely not an option for 2022. So I had the option, and so I definitely opted out because I just don't feel that it's necessary, and it did cause a glare and I just did not like that. So I removed it because it was an option. So I'm super excited about that. And then I went with the silver coil. I love silver, so I went ahead and went with that. And Plum Paper is also offering hard covers this year, so that's another option that you guys have. Those planners are actually super neutral, no cover in the weekly spreads or in the tabs. So that's actually a very neutral option, because they actually consider this color scheme as their neutral color scheme, if you can believe that. Some people may not consider this neutral, and I definitely don't, but I prefer this color scheme from the other ones that they offer. So this is, I believe, my third Plum Paper that I order in this color scheme, and I love it. I think it is perfect, and I rarely cover any of this color, so I'm perfectly okay with this one. And so here is the inside cover and the name page as well. Then we have 2023, and we have the special dates here, and the little tabs are dated. And these are for ideas, goals, and plans. And this one doesn't have like the little headers, so whatever you would like to use this for. And then we have a blank notes page here, and that does lead us to the first tab, which then has the monthly highlights. And this page here is kind of glossy, and I've never used it before just because it is that glossy material. So I usually tape these two pages together, that way the tab goes straight to the month. But I think I do want to try to use this page. So I'm thinking that I don't want to tape these together, at least not for now. I want to try using it, so I'm not going to be doing that maybe the first few months. So here is the monthly view, and look, the color is so minimal, I really can't even tell that it's there, so I think it is perfect. So here is the weekly spread. So I do have the vertical columns, and I did to do up here, and then today down here. I decided to leave this little section blank, but I believe it has like notes. And then I did this week, so I can just list everything for the week. So they do this little thing where they gray out the end or beginning of the month, and then the beginning or end of the next month. And so here is what a normal week looks like, and I love it. See, I just feel like this color is so pretty, and it's not bright and it's not bold. I think it is just perfect. And I love that I'm able to just list everything that I need to do for the day, regardless if it's for social media or my catch-all. So that's why I went with these headers, because I've made the mistake before where I did like YouTube, Instagram, statistics, and now I basically am not able to use those planners, I mean, I can always cover it up, but that's like an extra step that I have to do. So this time around, I just went with something that would be fitting if I ever end up using this planner for something different. So I just did basic to do here and today. So as far as social media, what I have to do for that specific day, or if it's my catch-all, what I have to do for that specific day. So it's not specific to social media, which I love. Just in case I end up not doing it, I think this is going to be perfect. So then we reach the end of the month and it has this notes page, but then I did add 2 more notes pages just in case I need them. So these are dispersed all throughout the month, and that's something extra that I went ahead and did. So here is February and we just do it all over again. But yeah, I'm excited to start diving into this planner. I think it is just so perfect for me. I love that I'm able to just list and that it has lines as well. You guys know that I love my lines. So here are the extra notes pages back here. So then that is basically how the month is set up. So I was using this planner, I think it was towards the middle of 2022. And then after a few weeks, I'm like, okay, this is not working out. So that's when I tried their vertical priorities layout. I want to say that's what it's called. But then that started not working out for me. So then I started using this layout in December and I actually fell in love with it all over again. So like they say, you never know what you have until it's gone, and that definitely happened to me with this planner. So I'm excited to be back in this layout. I cannot wait to get started. So here we have December, and if we go all the way to the end, we have that regular notes page, and then we also have the 2 notes page that I added, and then we have dot grid. So 2 of those, my contacts here, and we have passwords as well. I never use these pages, but they're here if you need them. And then we have 2024 back here. So then we also get a pocket folder, so and it is double-sided. And then I also added these 2 sleeves. I just think they are perfect. I always add them just in case this pocket folder is full for whatever reason. I can always place something back here. So let's see, maybe my little script stickers from Simply Smith Stickers will fit back here. Okay, so yeah, they definitely do. So I like adding these 2 sleeves back here. So let's see how they look over here in the folder. Okay, so there it is. I don't know. I just love adding these sleeves. I think they are absolutely perfect. And then we have the back cover as well. So I love this pattern. I think it's beautiful. I love that there's no color. And then we have the back cover as well. So I'm super excited to be diving back into the vertical columns layout and starting it right from the start. So let's go ahead and go over here to the name page because I do want to add that. And I also want to add these stickers. So yeah, I think maybe I could add this corner sticker, whether it's on the left or on the right. Let's see where it would be better. So I could do it here or here. I think I'm just going to end up doing it over here because I do have to trim off just a little bit, and it's easier if I do it on this side. Okay, so maybe like right there. Yeah, this is much better than before. Okay, that looks so good. Oh, and I actually ended up getting this planner in a coil because, I don't know, I have grown to love a coiled planner, if you can believe that. I was definitely surprised because Plum Paper does offer discount planners, and so that was an option, and I went back and forth on it, and I think I even slept on it before I even placed my order, and I just ended up getting this wire option, and I was super surprised. But yeah, after using Go Get a Girl for a while, I just ended up loving a coil planner. So that is the reasoning behind them. So let's go ahead and add my name as well. I'm trying to see if I'm getting it straight. And I love that it's going to be on top of the flower as well. Oh my gosh, there we go. I think that looks so beautiful. I definitely love these name stickers from Simply Smith Stickers. You get a variety of sizes depending on the planner. I think this big one would have been good as well, but I love this size. So there is that. And I'm wondering if I want to place another sticker. Because why not, right? Florals, at least for me, you can never have enough. I am obsessed with florals, and you can never have too many. Okay. So maybe this one on this side, just because this one is over there. Did I want to do it like this? Oh yeah, I think I want to do it. Did I? Or this way? Yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and do it like this. Okay, perfect. There we go. Oh, that looks so good. Nice and simple. I love that. So then I do have this little bookmark. So I want to add this where I am currently in. That way I can find my place super quick. And then I might add another one for the monthly view because I'm not going to be gluing those 2 pages. So I think this has a little film. So let's get rid of that. Oh, nice and shiny. And does it have it back here? I don't think so. Okay, so I think that we're good. Let's go ahead and flip to that first week. Okay, so here we are. Okay, perfect. That looks so good. I love that it's super neutral. So then, no. Okay, so then I also have another one, and this one is gonna go right here. I wish that it wouldn't do this, but I think we're just gonna have to be okay with that. Okay. Or does it look silly? Yeah, I think it might look silly just because it's together. So I might end up leaving it. I do have this one from the Happy Planner, and it is disc punched. So would it even fit here at all? I don't think so. Okay, but we tried. So we're just gonna leave it like that. Maybe I can just do a cute little paper clip or something. Yeah, I think that would be good too, right? Like, why didn't I think of that? So I have this cute little cloth and paper one right here. So this could either go like on the side, maybe like that. That way I'm able to flip it if I need to, or I can add it up here as well. Okay. So yeah, if I ever need to get to the monthly view, here it is. If I ever need to do the current week, here it is. Yeah, so I think this works much better, but I think I have other paper clips They are not here in front of me. Oh, actually, let's see. I do have this one from Jane's Agenda, and it was from one of their sub boxes. So let's try this one instead. Oh, yeah, so something like this. Oh, yeah, that's much better because the other one that they gave us with the sub box is this red one, and I don't feel that I want to do the red one. So, yeah, this black one is actually perfect, right? Okay, I am obsessed with that. And then we have the one for this week. Okay, perfect. So I think it looks good. And I am just so ready to get started. So like I said, a quick little walkthrough and setup of this planner. And now I am ready to start planning. So if you like this video, please consider subscribing. And don't forget to check me over on Instagram at Stephany Happily Plans. And I'll see you next time.